My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so another early review on a shoe that I'm on the fence about if I want. Like, I'm leaning more towards like I don't want, but not because it's not a good shoe, because it actually is a good shoe. And I do not actually have this silhouette. I don't have a lot of the silhouettes. Like, me just looking, I see one pair of those silhouettes. Possibly two, but I only see one. So, I don't know. It's just the color. The color is, look, we're going to get into that later on after I give you all this early review of this shoe. I think this shoe drops next week if I'm not mistaken. So we got a 7-day early review, so stay tuned for that. Really not even stay tuned for that. We got to get to that right now. So I'm on my way to the spot right now, about to open the door right now and head to the spot, give y'all this early review, get them back to the spot and come at to my spot, excuse me, give y'all some information about the early review, some legit information, and then we're going to talk about it. Should I cop or should I drop? Stay tuned. Okay. As you see, we got this Jordan box right here. Jumpman in the center in red. You see that Jordan, Air Jordan. Great top lid. Nothing special. Great bottom. Let's get the description. It is Air Jordan 9 Retro, medium gray, cool gray, size 8.5. This is a personal pair. So, you know, no reseller here. I feel like I haven't said that in a long ass time. But let's get this wrapping out the way. Get these shoes out of here. Normal standard white paper, nothing special about it. Ain't nothing special about this box. So put this away, get this lid back on top so I can set this up for y'all so y'all can get a clear view. And without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. Boom. Okay, so we got the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. Before we get into this shoe, I just want to apologize for my audio. I'm pretty sure my audio is going to be a little bit muffy, a little messed up, so I apologize for that. But all right, Air Jordan right here on the front, white laces. Got this two types of gray, medium gray and the cool gray right here. If you have the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays, you basically know what I'm talking about because this is the exact same color scheme as that. Jordan on the midsole. The other shoe, exactly the same. Nothing different about it. Two sets of grays right there. I actually like this shoe. I like it a lot. I'm on the fence about buying it, and I'm probably not going to buy it, but not for the reason that you may think. Not because I think it's a bad shoe. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I love this gray. I just don't need it. Honestly, we get back to more details about that when I get back to the place. But what y'all think about this? This is probably going to be a thumbnail right there. But what y'all think about the Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray? Just want to give y'all a quick look. Not even a real detailed description about it, but just wanted y'all to look at it. So y'all let me know in the comments below. Cop a drop for y'all. Let's get back to the house so I can actually give y'all some proper information about this shoe. Release date, price, all that good stuff. Okay, we back. We back to the spot. Look at Chewy right there. Look at Chewy. All right, we back to the spot. Hope y'all enjoyed that early review on the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. Air Jordan 9, right? Yeah, Air Jordan 9. I don't know why I always get the 9s. No, I don't get the 9s and 10s mixed up. I don't know why when I see Air Jordan 9s, I think about Air Jordan 10s. They look nothing alike. 10s are like in my top 3 favorite silhouettes, so I don't know. Anyway, show you right here. Anyway, all right, so give y'all some information like I always do. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Look at he just wanted. Look at he just wanted. I love him so much. All right. Hold up, Joey. Let me do this. All right. Give you guys some information. I don't even got this set up. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I apologize for that. I should already had this set up for y'all. It's raining so hard out here right now. Let me see. Air Jordan. You might hear my cat crying in the other room too. He just want attention. Jordan 9 cool gray. All right, there we go. All right, some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. I always go to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. And it's going to be up. You can read along with me. Let me put it up. It'll be up in 3, 2, 1. Boom. It should be up right now. It reads, the Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray is set for a comeback in spring 2025. Revealing its iconic status, originally dropping in 2002, this cool gray edition quickly became a fan favorite for its sleek design and timeless charm. The 2025 release stays faithful to the OG model, sporting the same cool gray upper, white accents, and subtle pops of color, offering fans a trip down memory lane. What was this? Is this an ad? Where's the accent though? I can't even. Okay. Anyway, all right. Amplifying its adorned allure, the Air Jordan 9 boosts a classic medium gray shade on its subtle nubuck upper, lending its appeal. Cool gray adorns the pattern 11 mudguards, blended. Why do all these ads keep on popping up? Blending style. Sorry about that. Seamless. Meanwhile, a clean white midsole and semi-translucent outsole provides a refreshing contrast to the refined grays with the iconic Air Jordan label and signature globe emerald, adding an authentic touch. And I apologize if my cat is going crazy. I don't know why. Like he's just really just at the door. He just want me to let him in the house. There go Jordan wearing the cool grays when he was with the Wizards. The Air Jordan Cool Gray will hit shelves on March 15th, 2024 at selected Jordan brand retailers, both in store and online at Nike.com. Available in men's and grade school sizing. The retail price tag is set for $210, $160 USD, respectively. Get ready to relive the nostalgia and secure your pair of this timeless classic. In conclusion, the Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray is making a triumphant return, staying true to its roots while capturing a new generation of sneaker enthusiasts. Don't miss out on a chance to own a piece of sneaker history while it drops next spring. And here go, there go price, release date. There go some more images for it. Boom, boom, boom. But you've seen all that. I give you some detailed looks on the shoe. So, do I think this is a nice looking shoe? Yes, I do. I am not a fan of Jordan 9s like that, but I do think this is one of the cleanest Jordan 9s. The reason why I'm more in the fist not getting this, remember I said cop or drop, I'm probably going to drop it because of these right here. You already know what it is by the box. Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. This is the exact same shoe, just a different silhouette. I have too many shoes that is the same silhouette. Let me give you an example. Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Put that right there. Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Is there a difference? Yes, it is. Mainly the black of the Nike Air on the back is in black. Nike Air on the back is white. Different color panels right there. You know, I mean, but what I mean is it is a red, white, and black shoe. And I have too many. Look at that. I was about to put it in the wrong. Look at that. I didn't even mean to do that. I was about to put it in the wrong case. But I just have too many of the same shoes. Like even with that, white, red, and black. White, red, and black. So like, they different shades of red, yes, but like it's the same thing. And then like, I mean, oops, I dropped that. White, red, and black. So like, you can have too much of the same color. Is what I mean by that. Excuse me about the camera angle. All right, there you go. So I don't have a lot of gray and white shoes, but I'm not wearing a lot of gray and white shoes. So I have these. I wore these like I think once or twice maybe. Look at that, you see dirty on the bottom. They still in very good condition, as a lot of my shoes are. So do I need the 9s? No. And for $210, Nah, I'm probably not gonna get them. I'm probably gonna drop. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna pass on them. I'm probably gonna pass on them. Not again, like I said, they're not a bad shoe. I actually think it's a very, very nice shoe, but I just like, I don't need that. And I think they're gonna sit too. 9s usually sit. So if I almost dropped my phone. If the 11s, if the Columbias or Legend Blues, what you wanna call them, they still sitting, then I think these gonna sit too. So we're gonna see though. Y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a cop or drop for y'all. If y'all gonna go get the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and Chewy. He licking himself. Representing Toon's Kicks. There we go. And the whole Toon squad, you know what to do. Chewy. He's not paying me no mind. Have a nice day.